Welcome to Session 5, Fraction Meaning, Equivalence, Comparison, and Mixed Numbers. Fractions describe division and relative amount. A denominator names the number of equal parts in one whole, while a numerator counts selected parts. Reliable fraction reasoning begins with equal wholes, not with mechanical rules. By the end, you will be able to do the following. Interpret fractions with area, set, and number line models. Generate and simplify equivalent fractions. Compare and order fractions using benchmarks or common denominators. 3 ideas organize the lesson. First, the denominator names equal-sized parts of one whole. Equivalent fractions scale numerator and denominator together. Comparison needs a shared benchmark or common representation. Worked example 1. Simplify 18/24. The greatest common factor is 6. Divide both numerator and denominator by 6 to obtain 3/4. Scaling both parts by the same non-zero number preserves the value. Check. Cross products, 18 times 4 and 24 times 3, both equal 72. Worked example 2. Compare 5/8 and 2/3. Cross multiply. 5 times 3 is 15, while 2 times 8 is 16. Because 15 is smaller, 5/8 is less than 2/3. Check. Their decimal values, 0.625 and about 0.667, confirm the order. Worked example 3. Convert 3 and 2/5 to an improper fraction. 3 wholes contain 15/5. Add the 2 remaining fifths to get 17/5. Check. Dividing 17 by 5 returns 3 with remainder 2. Watch for this common error. Assuming a larger denominator automatically creates a larger fraction. Correction. When numerators match, more equal parts means each part is smaller. Use this routine. Name the target and units, choose a relationship, calculate with clear steps, then estimate and verify. Define the whole, represent the fraction, use equivalence or a benchmark, and confirm the result with a second representation. For more lessons and focused practice, visit bridge2exam.com.